Hello and welcome you all. Students, today in this video we'll do questions based on of chapter 3 trigonometric functions. Our first question for today is if cos x is equals to minus 3 upon 5 where x lies in third quadrant. So here student we have to find the value of all other 5 trigonometric functions. So here according to our question that x lies in third quadrant, which means student that only tan and cot functions are positive in third quadrant and rest trigonometric functions are negative. So here, since we know that cos x is equals to 1 upon sec x. So from here, sec x will be equals to 1 upon cos x, and this is equals to reciprocal of minus 3 upon 5, which is equals to minus 5 upon 3. So this is our second trigonometric function. And now we know the trigonometric identity that sine square x plus cos square x is equals to 1. So from here, student, sine square x will be equals to 1 minus cos square x. Therefore, from here, sine square x will be equals to 1 minus, and we know that cos x is equals to minus 3 upon 5 according to our question. So, on substituting the value of cos x, we can write this as minus 3 upon 5 whole square. So, on solving it, we get 1 minus 3 square 9 and 5 square is 25. So, on solving it, we get 25 minus 9, which is equals to 16 upon 25. So from here, since sine square x is equals to 16 upon 25, therefore student sine x will be equal to plus minus 4 upon 5. And now since x lies in third quadrant where sine function is negative, so here sine x will be equal to minus 4 upon 5. And now in third case, since we know that sine x will be equal to 1 upon cosec x. So student, from here cosec x will be equals to 1 upon sine x. Therefore, the value of cosec x function will be equals to the reciprocal of sin x function, which is minus 5 upon 4. And now, since we know that tan x will be equals to sin x upon cos x. So, from here, since sin x is minus 4 upon 5 and cos x is minus 3 upon 5. So, from here, student, on solving it, we get tan x will be equals to 4 upon 3. And now, since we know that cot x is equals to 1 upon tan x, so this is equals to 1 upon 10x, which is 4 upon 3. So from here, cot x is equals to 3 upon 4. And now our second question for today is simplify sine 180 degree plus theta into cos 360 degree minus theta into tan 270 degree minus theta upon sec square 90 plus theta into tan of minus theta into sine of 270 plus theta. So since we have studied that sine 180 plus theta lies in third quadrant, and we know that in 180 degree there will be no change in trigonometric ratio. So sine will remain sine, and in third quadrant we know that sine is negative. Therefore, from here we get sine 180 plus theta will be equals to minus sine theta, and then cos 360 minus theta. So here this will lies in fourth quadrant, and we know that in fourth quadrant cos and sec function is positive. So in 360 degree, we know that again trigonometric functions remain the same. So from here we get cos 360 degree minus theta is equals to cos theta, and then tan 270 degree minus theta, which lies in third quadrant. And we know that in 270 degree, tan will get changes into cot. So in third quadrant, tan and cot is positive. Therefore, from here we get cot theta. And now in denominator, sec square 90 plus theta. And we know that sec 90 plus theta is equals to cosec theta. And we know that in second quadrant, sine and cosec function is positive and rest are negative. So student, sec function is also negative in second quadrant. But here we have sec square. We know that negative square is always equals to positive. Therefore, sec square 90 plus theta will be equals to cosec square theta. And then tan minus theta. Since student, we know that tan minus theta is minus of tan theta into sine 270 plus theta. So sine 270 plus theta lies in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant sine function is negative. So from here we get sine 270 plus theta is equals to minus cos theta. So from numerator and denominator, cos theta and cos theta will get cancelled out, and from here we get minus sine theta, and 1 upon cosec square theta will be equals to sine square theta, and we know that cot theta is cos theta upon sine theta. So from here student, on solving it, we get minus sine theta into cos square theta. And now we will see the proof of sine of minus theta, which is equals to minus sine theta. So here student, I have made two axes, that is x and y axis. So here in first quadrant, let a point A, which is at a distance of B from x axis, making an angle theta, and the distance OA is R, and we know that this is positive angle. And now we will take another point B in fourth quadrant. So the distance from the x-axis towards this point is minus of B, which is making an angle minus theta in clockwise direction. So here OB distance is R, and since we know that sine theta is equals to P upon H, so student, from here we get sine theta will be equals to B upon R, and this is our first equation. And similarly student, sine of minus theta will be equals to minus B upon R. So from here negative is taken as common, and in bracket we get B upon R, and we know that B upon R is equals to sine theta. So from here sine of minus theta is equals to minus sine theta, and then cos of minus theta will be equals to cos theta, and tan of minus theta is equals to minus tan theta. And now practice these two questions mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.